Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at where we can insert date and time right in our Microsoft Word document. Right here, so notice, insert date and time. All right. So the next thing that we wanted to do definitely, in order for me to do that, you notice we're going to be looking at Alt, which is Alt on the keyboard, and then we're going to look for Shift on the keyboard, and then D. So we're going to press Alt plus Shift and D together. Right here, forget it. So Alt, Shift, and D together in order for you to get the date, right? So I'm going to do that, all right? If you notice, all right, let me move this one, all right? Let's go back again. Going to call on Shift, Alt, and D together. You notice? All right, let me just move the D here from in front of this. All right, so if you notice, right here, we literally get the date and the time, the date, the year, and the month right here. So what we want to look right now is how we can actually get the time right here. So if you notice to get the time, to insert the time, you're going to put Alt plus Shift plus T together. All right, so I'm going to try and do that now. Alt plus Shift and then press T, press all of them together. Then notice. So this is the time that it actually show right now. So what you do, you press Alt plus Shift plus T. So that's why insert time and this right here in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.